Okay, so before I start my presentation, good morning to everyone. And first, before starting of my presentation, I would like to thank Principal Sir of Guru Nanak College, Mr. Dr. S. Srinath Reddy Sir, and also HOD Sir, Manidhar Tula Sir, and also I would like to thank Dr. Dinashekharan Sir, and also I would like to thank coordinator of this particular webinar, CH Sriram. Thank you very much for inviting me to this webinar. It's a great privilege to be a part of this event. Okay, so today's topic is basically is a simulation-driven approach for designing of electrical rotating machines. It's more focused on the motors that goes into traction application. So when I say traction, it's the motors that goes into electrical vehicle application. So the complete presentation will be focused on the motors that goes into electrical vehicle application. So before I start my presentation, so this is agenda. So you can see here in my presentation, I am going to introduce the Altair e-mobility solutions, and also I will introduce what is Altair. And first start of my presentation, we will look at what are all the challenges that we have when we design a motor for electrical vehicle application, and how these challenges will be addressed by Altair, and what is the methodologies that we adapt at Altair to address these challenges, and state-of-art analytical computation for the designing of the motor. So once you have a specifications, looking at that specifications, how the motor design basically starts. So we need to look at that. And we look at the permanent magnet synchronous motor simulations, which is a well-known motor in the electrical vehicle applications, and we'll also see some demonstrations on the tool, and then we will showcase the case studies for the thermal and also vibroacoustics. I will tell you what is thermal, what is vibroacoustics. We will also look at a multi-physics optimization. So once we design, we need to do the optimization. So we'll also see that. Then the summary of my presentation followed by question and answer sessions. So I think my pitch is okay, right, Ram?
Yeah. You can continue.
So introducing Altair. Altair is a technology-driven simulation software company founded in 1985. Works in Troy, Michigan, USA, and we have offices in 25 countries with 86 branches, and we have 3,000 plus engineers, scientists, and creative thinkers, and we have almost 11,000 customers globally, and we have around 150 plus software technologies which can address different physics. When I say physics, it can be a mechanical, it can be civil, it can be it can be electrical, it can be communication side also. So we'll see that. As you know, technology evaluation is happening in many domains. You can see here. So it is happening in the Internet of Things. So people are things, machine learning, cloud computing, and also additive manufacturing, and e-mobility. Today it's a buzzword. E-mobility is a buzzword. And then we have a smart product design. So when we say this, Altair can be a right partner to address these domains. And what we are doing at Altair, so we solve your toughest challenges, helping the innovators to innovate and drive the better decisions, and also turning today's problem into tomorrow's opportunities. So I must say we have a simulation technologies which can address this next generation technologies, I must say. So we say the future is simulation driven design. Before doing a prototype, you have to simulate properly and have idea, then we need to go for the prototyping and also the production. So that is what we say simulation driven design. And today's concept was more focused on e-mobility. So e-mobility, when I say the definition of e-mobility, is nothing but converting a fuel-driven powertrain into electrically powered powertrain. So when I say this, basically we have a motor there, and transportation OEMs need a sustainable technologies to meet the demands of the customer. So when I say customers and when I say demands, whatever we design, it has to be a safer, it has to be a lighter, and also it has to be greener, and also it has to be a smarter. So that's how today's products are driven and today's products are designed. So that's what, like, the transportation OEMs has a challenges on the e-mobility side, and how like we can overcome these challenges, okay, down the down